Let's open that safe. Oh my God, it's empty. It's always empty.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are back where we at? We're at an auction. We're at an auction today. Day 2, our second biggest run of the week, month, I should say. We're gonna try to buy something today. We're gonna go for whatever, or are we gonna try to be picky? What are we gonna do? What's the plan?
We're gonna be picky.
We're gonna be picky, all right.
But well, I want a cheap unit, so.
She wants a cheap unit, I want the best unit. So okay. That's how we're gonna do it. Anyway, let's get started. We're here at the auctions and she didn't realize we had mail and she wants to open up mail. Mail, she's like her dad today, she got her glasses on. All right, let's see what we got.
Fan mail, fan mail, fan mail. I'm not good at opening this thing, so. Card.
It's a card. We got a card. Is that a polar bear?
Wait, who's it from? This is his name. You gotta read the card. Enjoy your good fortune, but shudder at how your supposed knowledgeable friend handles the goods. Filthy, greasy hands on vintage photos. Shame on you. Handcrafted items tossed around. Morons. Oh, we got hate mail.
That's a love mail. It's me. That's a misguided lover, baby girl. Morons. I've been called worse.
Okay, we got that. This one doesn't have a name on it either. Just, oh.
What's the name?
Tricia Ely.
Michael, where's your lover? Are you really? I am. I'm having one of him too. We're mad at Harold today, everybody.
I'm not mad at Harold. Sorry,
he doesn't owe you an arm and a leg.
I don't sell things for him. Okay, let's read the note first.
Read this loud.
P.S. I made this for you, Tricia. I hope I'm saying your name right. Probably not. Dear Pirate, I found this pirate coin a long time ago. I thought it would make an awesome pendant for you. I am just learning to wire wrap jewelry. I watch your videos all the time. I am disabled and mostly homebound now. I have a home health aid as my health continues to decline. My brain is outside of my skull, compressing my brainstem into my spinal cord canal. This causes so many health problems. I also have an inoperable brain aneurysm, plus a slew of other conditions. I get to live
vicariously,
big word, through you. You make me smile, and what is most that I see in you have a heart. Most important that I see in you is you have a heart. God bless you and yours, Tricia, aka Mama
Grumpy Bear. Mama Grumpy Bear. I know exactly who that is.
Let's see what it is.
That is cool. That is a pirate coin.
Yes.
I like it. Shout out to you, Mama Grumpy Bear, and I am truly sorry to hear of all the conditions that ail you, and I appreciate that you do watch our channel, and it's all Princess, and you are able to enjoy life through our videos, and this is awesome. It really is. I love being a pirate, and thank you very much. I love you. And to whoever else called us a moron and you didn't even have the nerve to put your name there because you're a little buck, we love you still too. Been called worse. Want to have something to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, hell no. What's up?
It's baby clouds.
I got 6 kids. one that you got? I don't. You mean when you bid Rick up? Well, it's technically you bid him. I think I've seen this one before. Skinny Pop. That's what you need, Heather. What? Shine your flashlight in that. Dream big, laugh big. Pete.
Oh, something foul.
Pete. Peter, no.
Alright, here we go, guys. Pay attention, line up.
Almost.
I bought abandoned basket at abandoned unit.
Alex bought 2 so far, huh, Alex?
No, I got 1.5.
He got 2 units. I'm at 0 so far.
Half of one. What are you gonna put that on your trail? Got rid of it. It stayed.
It's a shirt press. I could picture you liking it.
You buy mine? I want those.
I don't want it. You buy it.
Oh, sorry.
So those lime green Jordan.
I think it worked. What's your code?
All right, so here's the deal. This, you know, it's kind of cool. I wanted it, but a little certain somebody was a little butthurt because he missed out on the unit, let me have it, and he wanted to play little games, run me up. Nonetheless, we wanted this, we got it. I don't even get a name shout out. He just gets to be that guy.
DB. Call
Yeah.
DB. Designated person. I'm a poop. He's gonna watch this video and be crying about. Oh man.
What do we get, like a $10,000 machine? We're gonna... Is that gas powered or battery? It's all right.
I'll be mobbing this thing. There's 1 lock, 2 locks, and the same lock.
That's a nice son.
Yeah.
Very nice son.
What is? It's a t-shirt printing. I'm telling you, it's a t-shirt machine. I don't know what. Part of my French here, buddy. It's for. I knew it already.
But
This is the
printer right here.
This is the t-shirt printer. That's a t-shirt printer.
And then these are the screens right here.
Yeah, these are all the things.
Just gonna show you. Yep, those are the screens. You got a whole bunch of cabinets back here. They're all cabinets.
We'll be doing a full reveal on this soon.
Max 2.
Now we're here for the second auction of the day, 10 units. Film a few of them, see what we got. So we're at the next auction, 10 units.
10 units.
10.
In where?
In the hole.
Two safes.
There it is. I can see it from here.
What?
So look at the whole front of it is missing. So,
Look at the oil. No plate. Fine.
oh yeah, what is it?
But it is leaking like the sieve.
Oh, it's big? No, no, no.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
No, you have not, sir.
How much this goes for? Is that osmosis?
I was trying to figure out the name of it. Thank you. Osmosis.
Really?
No, 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 listo.
Yo.
Vibration reduction technology, the Samsung. Now the second auction's over. Today's taking a really long time, so we're now at the third auction, waiting for the auctioneer to get here. I bought 2 more units, so now I'm up to 3 more units. I'm supposed to be taking it easy, guys, and I can't. I'm addicted to storages. Bought one with a Harley in it, and I bought one with 2 safes in it.
Ooh,
That's the
Jordan.
one you need to record, Alex.
Oh yeah, look at that big TV with a
Yeah,
Higher time. Mikey, video you need. Look at that. You don't need a key.
Cheeseburger, how's my intro go? Cheeseburger, how's it go? Come on.
It's so wonderful.
You've been saying it all. No, how does my intro go? The beginning of my videos.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
But he doesn't
boys and
push the
girls,
button for life,
higher
for
time.
share.
You don't get it. Every time it's different.
He doesn't share.
Do a good
Let's
one.
open that safe. Oh my God, it's empty. It's always empty. I don't know.
Narrating it.
You're never fool.
It's empty.
Baby girl, what do you
It's
think?
cheeseburger.
What do you think about his impersonation of me?
I love it. I kind of like him a little more than the original.
Everybody thought it was good for a second there, huh?
Hey, bicycle guy, come here.
See, now they get all excited.
You seeing that?
She's a customer, she's so good.
Sir, if you don't cuss, I can leave this on the
Oh,
video.
I'm sorry. No disgust.
No, I'm not doing video.
Only nice talk.
That's a Fuji. It's a nice bag, actually. It's not bad. Look at those Christmas candles back there, Alex.
That's an old one, yeah.
Those are good, Alex.
Good catch. It looks like he's don't like it. You ever see that?
Put it in your hernia.
Yeah, maybe you have.
Little
Where is that?
Roomba?
Look at that. You don't see that. Hoppa! No, it's a hair dryer. A hair dryer, bro.
In the corner.
So this is
Almost intriguing.
This is it. Yeah, we gotta go down. Oh, we gotta go to the first floor.
It's not Jack, it's just so you know. Look at the look on his face.
You just don't know how it just like.
How what?
It's like
He's
sucking
his body.
all the heat.
It's like sucking what?
It's like sucking all the heat out of me. I
Wow.
swear. A little bit.
In case you guys are curious, we're standing in front of the fan. I don't know if this conversation
it's-
took in a wild turn.
It sucks, but since it's so cool in here, it's sucking all the cool air, and all the cool air just hits you.
Understood. We are now at the last facility of the day. I bought one more at the last place for $1,600, 10 by 20 upstairs. It's gonna suck because it's the one floor with no air conditioning in it, so that'll be a fun one. But I think it's gonna be a good one. So you got to stay tuned. I've been buying like crazy. Future storage buyer right here in training right now.
Hello.
Say hello. Say hello to the whole world.
Hello.
Say hello to the whole world. She's like, no. Jose and Eli. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. We are done at the auctions. Alex rolling with me still. I think you bought a couple, right?
Yeah, about 3, maybe 4.
2, 3. He bought 3 this last 2 days. I bought 6. I'm greedy,
About a lot.
but that's what pirates do. Arr. Stay tuned. Lots of unbox coming. Storage Stalker. Storage Auction Pirate.